to explain it, what it is. So let's go and post a document. Some expenses account to bank account or something. Okay. This is the transactional code. You're supposed to use it. So document date to posting date to, okay, it can be same or it can enter different dates also, no problem. Good. So what type of document are going to post? General ledger document. Then what is the document type SAP suggesting us? Okay, SCA. What is the company code? What is the currency? In case if you're going to post the transactions in foreign currency, then you have to enter a rate, otherwise leave it. Just in case you are following extra number ranges for your document type, then enter it, otherwise leave it. Bill number, reference number, translation date is not required. Posting period is automatically going to be updated based on posting date. Translation date also, if you don't specify anything, so it will update as default translation date. Generally, translation date is required for foreign currency transactions to determine the exchange rate. Otherwise, not required. Okay, this section is called as header data. Now, let's go to line item details. Example, office expenses to rent account, like this. Office expenses here is coming debit side, right? So, how system understand debit or credit is based on the posting indicator, posting key. Okay, so SAP is suggesting us to use posting keys 40 for GL account debit purpose, 50 for GL account credit purpose. Now here it is debit. Okay, to which account you are going to give debit? Office expenses account. So before going to enter the account, I wanted to understand little bit more detailed functions about the posting key. Example, I told you the question. What is posting key and what it controls? Okay, here it says, boss, it is a 2 digits numeric key. Generally, the posting keys are used to determine the line item, whether it is debit or credit. Next, controls the field status of document line item during the postings. So what did I say? While posting the transactions, here, while posting the transactions, company code is different, right? While posting the transactions, see, yesterday we covered this scenario, right? That's why here it is coming. While posting the transactions, which field is important, which field is not, which field is required, which field is not required, is controlled by the two things. One is field status group assigned in this GL account. Another one is posting. So both will control these fields. Each field will have 3 statuses. Okay, required, optional, and suppress. Means hide. Hide means it will not be displayed here. Otherwise, if you don't control the fields, there are hundreds of fields. All fields will be displayed in the screen. Then user may get confused. Which field has to be filled for this account? Which field has to be filled for another account? Right? As a part of that, to control the fields, we have to create field status groups. And set which field is required, set as required field. Which field may be required, keep it under optional status. Which field not at all required, keep it under suppress mode. Like this, for each field, 3 statuses are there. Nature of the accounts, you should control the field status and then assign it to respective GL account. So whenever I'm going to post the transaction to that particular GL account in that particular company code, the fields will be displayed. So what I'm saying is the fields not only at field status group of the chief, not only field, not only at field status group. Posting key level also we can control it. So I told you the differences. What is the difference between posting and field status group? Both control the field status during the postings. However, there are some differences. What is the difference here? If you set field status for any field at posting key level, right, Posting key is common, okay, for all the company codes in the system. Example, wherever in any company code, any GL account, okay, it is coming debit side, then posting key 40. Then if you set at posting key 40 level, the rule means what? Field status of the particular field is applicable to all the GL accounts, right? All the company codes, right? That's what it is. If you define the field status at posting key level, so field status group level, what will happen? Where that field status group is assigned in the GL accounts, only for those GL accounts, only for those company codes, okay, rule applicable. Okay, a field status will be applicable. Okay, that is the reference. But you may get doubt first, to which one it will give priority. It will not give priority to posting key. It will not give priority to field status group. It will follow one kind of priority, SDRO sequence. SDRO sequence basis. So in this case, what will happen? For example, if I specify the business area field status at posting key level, O optional, field status group level required, then what is the status? Okay, see, R is on top, okay, on top of O, right? So then status will be R, the top priority. Then this. Next, here, O and S. S is on top, then result to suppress. I mean, means while posting the transactions, business area field will be suppressed. Like this, okay, I have explained all the scenarios and tested also. And there is one important scenario here. Definitely you will be asked like this question. Okay, where else we can control the field status of document line items? You'll say boss posting key level and field status group level. Okay, good. Let me give you a scenario. Business area field I have set as suppress mode at posting key level and required field at field status group level. What is the result? Suppressor required. It will not give. Okay, suppressor required. It will give error message. It will give error message. What type of error message says? See, boss, the rules you defined for posting key, whatever it is, and account, whatever it is, set incorrectly for the particular field business area. Like this, one error message will come. The same thing we are getting. The same thing we are getting here also. The posting key level low, same message. See, rules for posting key 40, and instead of putting 40, here I put start. That means what? It can be applicable for anything. Next, account number. So I didn't mention account number. Here also put start. Why? It can be applicable to any GL account. Set incorrectly for GSBR. GSBR means what? Business area field technical name. Business area field technical name. Okay, backend. So like this, okay, error message will come. Okay, so system will accept, system will not accept this kind of rules. Suppress means what? Should not be displayed. Required means what? Mandatory. See, but rules are incorrect rules here. That's why either one of the place, okay, you have to control the status. So in this case, I would like to go and keep these fields, okay, optional. Okay, posting key level. Posting key level, I would like to keep it as optional status instead of suppress mode. Okay, that's what I'm saying is, if you want to control any field or if you want to set any field as per your requirement, better to control at field status group level. Okay, then it will be applicable only for the particular GL account, particular company code. If you specify at the company this level, no, the posting key level, it will affect all the GL accounts, for all the GL accounts, for all the company codes, because posting key 40 should be used for all the company codes, right? That's right. Now I have changed the status. If I go and post it, it will accept it. Okay, it will accept. Earlier it was giving error message. Now it is accepted. I have changed the status. Optional required. And it will be now here like this. I set it as a first rule set section. Now it is accepted, required. Okay, good. This table is very important. This kind of questions you would be asked. So give answer accordingly. Good. And next to one question. Item. Overall summary wise. At what level we can control the field status of document line items during the postings? ఎక్కడెక్కడ మనం కంట్రోల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు పోస్టింగ్ లెవెల్ ఫీల్డ్స్ పోస్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏ ఫీల్డ్ మ్యాండేటరీ ఏ ఫీల్డ్ వద్దు అనేది where we can control it. I don't know. Two places. One is at posting key level, at field status group level. These are the main two places. Two places. Good. Clear? Super. Now, see, whatever I explained now so far, one additional information actually. Okay. See, we are here posting the document. We are here posting the document. So while posting document, I told you posting key 40. You may get doubt what is posting key 40, why enter 40, like this. So to explain this point in detailed way, I have to give this notes. So that's why you can put lines also here and separate box line and separate additional information. It's part of document. Okay, for background information. Good. We have to go ahead, right? Continuation. See here. So posting key 40, I entered. Okay, understand why we entered posting key 40. So detailed information was provided now. Let's go ahead. Next, account. Put it in bracket. Whatever I explained so far, okay, put it in separate lines and separate, make it separate. And continuation, account. Account. Account, any account. In this case, 100, 400, sorry, 400, 100 account. See, if you observe here carefully, here it just says, one second. Okay, see here. Here it says account. Account means what? Here nowhere it says it's a GL account, vendor account, customer account, asset account. Simply it says account. Based on the posting key, it will accept it. Example, if I enter here posting key 40. What is posting key 40?
Expenses.
What is, what is the use of posting key 40? 40 and GL account debit. Expenses account GL account debit. Okay, here. See GL account to debit. Where did you specify GL account? See here, GL account to debit side. That's why system here showing GL accounts. See here. That's why here system is showing here GL account number. Okay, GL accounts are okay, asking to enter GL accounts. So that's why I'm entering GL account. In case if you are going to post vendor account, example. Okay, example, if you are going to post vendor account. Vendor account posting keys, example. See, invoice time, vendor, credit side, 31. Example. If I enter here 31 now, here it is showing vendor accounts. See here. vendor accounts, okay. And next, for example, if I post customer invoice, so here you have to enter, see, customer invoice or 01, see example. There is separate T code is the correct. There is separate T code is there, but the same way it will be, this will over there also. See, for example, 01. If I specify here 01, then system here will prompt customer accounts. See, customer accounts. Understand? So that's why what I am saying is here, okay, the posting key controls account types also. That's what I told you here, right? Remember, see here, posting key is used to control account types. First debit credit చెప్పింది, తర్వాత field status group control చేసింది, next account types control చేసింది, next reverse posting key will also control it. Very, very important about the posting keys. Okay, good. Now you understand, based on the posting key you entered, accordingly the account will be prompted. Okay, good. Now in this case I am posting general ledger document, so you have to enter 40 ante GL account. Okay na? What is your GL account? Okay, if you remember, enter it. For example, if you don't remember, no worries, you can go to this drop down list. Okay, here multiple options are available. You can filter the GL account from your company code. Okay, with the description, different options are available, and you can directly press enter, and you can get your account number, whatever you want. Like this, you can get it done. Okay, na? Good. So account number, what did you write? Office expenses 400, 100. You might have created your account number 400, 700, or 470, whatever it is, whatever GL code you created, right? Okay, you enter it accordingly. Then okay, wait. Posting. Okay, now you understand the account also. Next thing, special GL indicator, right? This field will be used in accounts payable. Okay, whenever we collect advances from customers, sorry, whenever we give advances to vendors, or whenever we collected advances from customers, right? So in the AP and the AR modules, okay, it will be used it. Special GL indicator means advance related transactions, etc., to post separately. So it will be explained in accounts payable and account receivable. Until then, it's not required. Please leave it. Next one, ATT, the asset transaction type. So this is going to be covered in fixed asset account topic. First GL, then AP, then AR, then asset accounting. So in asset accounting, it will be covered. So whenever you're going to post asset transaction, right, how the value is coming to asset? Are you going to purchase asset from external vendor or in-house production, or how? What type of asset transaction it is? You have to specify that field. Okay, so it will be covered in asset account. So no need to worry about these two fields at this moment. So please park it. Okay, then press enter it. Or keyboard low enter, press enter. Write down. This is the first document, right? I hope you are writing each and every point in the document posting, right? Write down. So we have taken pause here. Posting ki dagger pause is better. Then continuation. Posting key. Next, press enter. When you press enter, no, the screen will come like this. You have to enter the amount of the transaction, right? Okay. Example, 16,000 rupees. And anything, enter amount. Enter amount. 16,000 rupees. Okay. In case business area field, if you have set as mandatory, fill it. In case if you don't have business area concept in your organization, okay, leave it. Not an issue. But in this case, I have set this field as mandate. No problem. Let's fill it. Okay, fill the mandatory fields. Example, business area. What are business area you have created in Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai, a product or services, whatever it is. The business area, you have to specify it. Example, 1,000. Next, text. Next, text payment for office expenses or maybe office expenses being paid. Okay, like this you can write it down. Text payment for office expenses. Any narration. Okay, you can enter it. So you understand what you're going to do. So you're going to post a transaction. Office expenses account that are 60,000 rupees to cash or bank account to 60,000 rupees. This is the accounting entry you're going to post it, right? So first line item completed. First what is okay, account number 1. So first line item completed. Now you have to enter second line item, right? What is second line item? Credit. So what is the posting key? 50. To which account you want to give credit? Okay, you have to enter your bank account number, cash or bank, then press enter it. Right? So let's start the second line item. So 2 line items, okay, double entry system, right? So compulsory we have to post 2 line items in each document. First line item completed. See line item 1. Next line item 50. 50 for what purpose? GL account credit purpose. So you remember the GL code? Okay, cost center. Okay, good. Okay, cost center required P&L accounts, right? Okay, correct. So cost centers and all required. When it is required, after we implement controlling module. First we are going one by one. First FI, then CO, right? Okay, so we haven't introduced controlling components yet. But live environment, for example, okay, she has worked as an end user. So she knows while posting the transactions, she used to enter the cost center to the SAW expenses account and all. But why? Okay, why? Before going to deploy the product into production environment, before going to go live, okay, so all the components are configured and tested, and then everything is ready. Then users can post the end-to-end scenarios. But in this case, we are going one by one. First GL, EAP, AR, asset account. In this case, controlling is not yet there. Okay, na? After FI completion, then we'll enter into controlling. So during that time, we have to convert the GL accounts as P&L accounts or cost elements. Then we have to enter cost center for each and every cost related transactions. Upload. Okay, na? Until then, not required. On control relay one by one, we are going. Okay, no problem.
Yes, Vasu, and one more doubt.
Yeah, please.
Sometimes if we forgot the cost center for the particular GL which is matching with, so how we can find?
Okay, fine. So what she's asking is, boss, okay, I forgot to enter cost center. There is no chance to forget to enter cost center. Example, once
Not
the
forgetting, the cost center list will be there, but some of the cost center was restricted for the postings, and some of the cost centers was not mapping with
uh,
this GL. So how in that case?
okay, so mapping. See, if you want to okay, two things. Okay, you hearing. Okay, you need to understand. If you want the system to update the cost center automatically, example, okay, before you enter example, okay, so in that case, in that case, okay, if to this cost element in this company code combination, we can specify this cost center as okay mapping default cost assignment. Then what will happen? Whenever I post any transactions to the GL code in this company code, automatically system will update this cost center. Okay, అవన్నీ ఎప్పుడు కంట్రోలింగ్ లోకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ ఇఫ్ యూ నో హౌ టు గెట్ జిఎల్ అకౌంట్ as కాస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ దెన్ హౌ టు సెట్ ది కాస్ట్ సెంటర్ as ఓకే డిఫాల్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అన్నారు. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మీకు ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? కాస్ట్ సెంటర్ కనిపించడం వల్లనే కదా మీకు డౌట్ వచ్చింది. ఐ విల్ డూ వన్ థింగ్. సర్ప్రైజ్ లో పెట్టి అసలు కాల్ లేకుండా నా ఓకేనా? నా హ్యాపీ. So cost center is not related to our topics now. Okay, because when we come to controlling model, then only cost center is required, because each and every transaction then, okay, must be associated with cost object, the cost center or internal order. Otherwise, we cannot push any kind of transactions. Okay, na? But in this case, okay, we haven't come to controlling model yet. So that's why the controlling cost center component, cost center, cost elements, that are all not required. Okay, you will understand later. So okay, so now fill only the mandatory fields. Okay, na? Or normal cost center field కనిపించలేదు ఇక్కడ. Don't worry. Like this you can set it. Okay, what is whole document, right? After this topic, okay, you'll understand. Till then, please hold. Other meaning hold and whole document. Instead of posting now, click on hold. See, your question is here now. Address see here. Instead of post, if I post it, post అయిపోతుంది. Post కాకుండా hold చేసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే temporary document. I have incomplete information. I don't have complete information to post the transaction. అందుకని temporary post చేసుకోవచ్చు. అయిపోతుంది. Okay, after I receive full documents, then click on hold held. Okay, held document. So go to your whole document list, double click on it, and now finish the remaining information. Rala. So ఎలా వచ్చిన whole document నుంచి regular document లోకి. Hold అంటే temporary hold చేయటాన్ని hold అంటారు. It's a temporary document. Separate topics are there. First to understand normal regular documents. Then after that, how to post forward documents, second documents, sample document, whole documents. ఒక సీక్వెన్స్ ఉంది. తొందరపడదు, ముందే పోయిద్దు. Right. See here. Next, first line item completed, right? And what is the second line item? See, understand here how I am posting document. However, you know, just concentrate. There might be some people from non-commerce background, so please concentrate. Okay, we need to take them also in the same way. First line item completed. Second line item is here 50. So write down posting key 50. However, you know, however you have posted document, please write down. Posting key 50. Because why I am explaining pin to pin here is, if you know this, I am telling you, entire FI module, APR, entire FI module, how the data is going to be posted, 70 to 80% you can easily understand. అందుకని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తుంది పిన్ టు పిన్, ఫండమెంటల్ ఇది. ఇక్కడ నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ రేపటి క్లాస్ నుంచి ఇక్కడ తెచ్చిపోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ప్లీజ్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ అండ్ ఐ వాంట్ ఎవ్రీవన్ టు బి perfect and post the document and send me the screenshot. So posting key 50. What is 50 here? Write down. Posting key 50. For what purpose? GL account to create. GL account create. Next, which account? Bank account, right? We remember the bank code, enter it. Otherwise, you can filter also here. 2 series, right? 2 star. So cash at bank 200-601. Write it down. 200-601. Bank account. Okay, bank account. Now I already told you, right? Special indicator is not required. It will be covered in accounts payable. Asset accounting field will be covered. Asset transaction type will be covered in asset accounting. So not required now. New company code. New company code field here is required if you are going to post cross company code transaction. Example, okay, there are 2 company codes. FT01 Big Bazaar, FT02 Food Bazaar. Okay, like this, there are 2 company codes are there. Okay, so they are exchanging their services. Or they are one company code is making payments on behalf of other company code. Example, office expenses belongs to Big Bazaar. Okay, cash belongs to, and who is going to pay? FT02 is going to pay. That case you are supposed to enter other company code, new company code. both expenses and payment belong to same company code. And it's paying its own expenses. Then you no need to fill any value here. Understand? One company code expenses are being paid by another company code. That time you are supposed to enter here new company code. Okay, for that you have to set up cross company code transactions for clearing purpose. Okay, later, okay, it will be covered. The topic name is cross company code transactions. That's nothing but intercompany code transactions. Separate settings are there. It will be covered, okay, in the course. Don't worry. Okay, that time I'll introduce this field. Until then, not required. Always keep this field blank because the expenses belongs to FP01. Even bank also, okay, belongs to same company. It's paying its own expenses. Okay, not required. Okay, now press enter it. After you write it down, account number 200-601 within bracket SBI Bank, press enter it. Press enter. Press enter. దీన్ని డ్రాప్ డౌన్ బటన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే స్ట్రక్ అయిపోయి రావో ఉంది. సో అందుకని మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ వచ్చి పోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వదు. అది సిస్టమ్ ప్రాబ్లం, నా ప్రాబ్లం కాదు. Okay, 200-601. What did I say? Press enter. When you press enter, again you have to enter the amount, right? Again you have to enter the amount. So what I am saying is here, if you want you can enter amount, no problem. But what I am saying is here, instead of entering amount, give star. Give star. If you give star, no, how much amount is required to match the document? Debit to credit, right? To match the documents. Automatically it will update it. So okay, if you are going to post 2 line items, okay, you can enter it. Assume if you are going to post multiple line items, okay, example, this much, okay, this much. Okay, I don't know how many debits I entered it. Final credit I am supposed to enter. I no need to take calci and no calculator to put here. Not required. You no need to do it manually. Okay, what I am saying is here, you just put star. Automatically, how much amount is required to match the document, right? Automatically, it will be posted. Then debits to credits will be matched. Okay, this is what it is. So what I am saying is here, amount to, okay, press enter, amount to star. And now press enter, amount to star. Star. Note. Okay, note. Star, put star. It makes document amount equal. It makes the document amount equal. All debits, all credits, okay, will be matched. Automatic, how much the difference amount is there now, that amount will be updated automatically. It makes the document amount equal. It makes document amount equal. That's it. Next, to fill the mandatory fields if there are any, otherwise just leave it. Value date, generally cash or bank purpose it is required. Did I enter any value in this field? Suresh Ram Reddy. Did I enter any value in this field? Value date field. Anyone?
No, Vasant.
No, right? Then how did it? How it was updated? Any idea?
Automatically based on the posting.
Automatically it's updated. The bank.
Automatically updated. I know that. Okay. Yes, on which activity it was updated? Any idea?
Because of bank account.
Field status variant.
Field status variant లో మనం ఏం చేసుకోవచ్చు?
Posting is not updated.
ఒక నిమిషం. ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ వేరియంట్ లో పూర్ణ ఇది మ్యాండేట్ అయినా ఆప్షన్ లానే చెప్పగలం, అర్థమైందా? అంతేగాని ఈ వాల్యూ ఎలా వచ్చింది అనేది నా పాయింట్ ఇక్కడ. హౌ ది వాల్యూ వాజ్ అప్డేటెడ్. ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ అంటే ఏంది? ఆ ఫీల్డ్ కనిపించాలా కనిపించకూడదా, కనిపించినట్టు ఉండాలనేది కంట్రోల్ చేసేది. బట్ వాల్యూలు అప్డేట్ చేయదుగా ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్. చూడు ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ అంతే.
పోస్టింగ్ డేట్.
అది పోస్టింగ్ డేట్ నుంచి వచ్చిందా, డాక్యుమెంట్ డేట్ నుంచి వచ్చిందా కాదు. ఆన్ వాట్ బేసిస్
ఎంటరింగ్ డేట్ యాక్చువల్లీ.
అది అది ఏ డేట్ అనేది కాదు కాదు విచ్ యాక్టివిటీ ఎవరు కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ టచ్ చేయలేము.
ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ ఎంటరింగ్ డేట్.
వన్ సెక్, సీ హియర్, ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కాదు, అది కాదు, ఇది కాదు. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఇన్ దిస్ కంపెనీ కోడ్ గ్లోబల్ పారామీటర్స్ లో నీట్గా చూపించాను, నోట్స్ ఇచ్చాను. ఓకే, ఇన్ గ్లోబల్ పారామీటర్స్ ఐ క్లియర్లీ టోల్డ్ యూ, if you select define default validate checkbox in your company code, ఏమవుతుంది తెలుసా? కరెంట్ డేట్ ని, సర్వర్ డేట్, సిస్టమ్ డేట్, ఆటోమేటిక్లీ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ ఓకే అండ్ అప్డేట్ ది వాల్యూ ఇన్ ది వ్యాలిడ్ ఫీల్డ్ as by default. అంటే by selecting this field, system will take the system date as default valid date. వేరెవర్ వ్యాలిడ్ ఫీల్డ్ ఉందనుకో, బై డిఫాల్ట్ గా ఆ ఫీల్డ్ కరెంట్ డేట్ తో అప్డేట్ అయిపోద్ది. నౌ ఐఎమ్ రిమూవింగ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ checkbox and save. Okay, go and post it now, the same transaction. Okay, value date అనేది కరెక్టే. ఓకే, బ్యాంక్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. బట్ థింగ్ ఈస్, ఓకే, now it is asking here to fill it. Now here it is asking me to fill it. అదే ఈ చెక్ బాక్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేశాను అనుకో, సేవ్ ఇట్. దెన్ wherever validate field is available to this GL account, not only this GL account, ఎక్కడైనా సరే, automatically it will be filled. Okay, it will be filled with your current system server date. I already told you the same point in company code global parameter section. Okay na? Good. Okay, fine. Yeah, that is okay. Generally validity is required for bank and cash transactions, but how the value is updated automatically into the validated field is by selecting the define validate, define default validate checkbox in company code global parameters. Okay, otherwise it will not come. We have to enter manually. Good. Next. Amount to star, fill the mandatory fields if there are any. Okay, validate by default comes. If it was not updated, I wanted to enter current date. Okay, no problem. Okay, good. Validate, enter current date. And in case it was not updated, otherwise just leave it, no problem. So validate today's date, current date, today's date, the current date. Next, text. Text lo plus C. Text equal to plus. Okay, if you remember, for the first line item, I have entered the narration, payment for office expenses. Second line item also same narration. No need to enter it. Just give plus. If you give plus, automatically it would copy the narration from the first line item, previous line item. Instead of first, I can say previous line item. Okay, now write down. Text equal to plus, make a note. Plus. It copies the text from the previous line item. It copies the text from the previous line item. It copies the text from the previous line item. It copies the text from the previous line item. See here how amount will be updated, how text will be updated. Press enter. Right down. Press enter. See, if you press enter, no, amount is updated. Text also updated automatically. That's it. Okay, in case if there is one more line item, you can keep on entering like this. And same like this, you can enter multiple line items. Okay, but in this transaction, only 2 line items: expenses and bank. That's it. Okay, stop. I can directly save it. But before going to save it, I would like to simulate it first. Okay, simulate means just write it down. Press enter. This is called menu bar, right? From menu bar, from menu bar, from menu, from menu, from menu bar or menu, document, simulate, document, simulate. See here, now from menu, document, simulate. When you click on simulation mode, no, the document will be like this. I can see here expenses account data are bank account. Expenses account data are bank account. Okay, if everything is fine, no, perfect, then only you can save it. Okay, if you want, you can write it down the accounting entry for your reference purpose. Office expenses account data are, okay, 16,000 rupees amount to SBI bank account, 16,000 rupees amount. Like this, it will be displayed it. Before going to save it, just check the document whether it is posting properly or not. Okay, this is office expense account to bank account. So correct kada, office expense account debit. How do you know that it's debit or credit? Okay, note. Always credit line item would be posted with minus sign. Always the credit line items are posted with minus sign, negative sign. Always the credit line items are posted with minus sign. So then here, which is credit? This is credit. Okay, based on two options. Based on posting key, we can identify it. Based on indicator, we can identify it. Maybe going forward, you may not remember all the posting keys. Then how do we know whether it's credit or debit? Okay, based indicator. Antagani, fine on credit debit to on credit card. Okay, if I enter first credit, then it will be on top. Then if I enter second line item as debit, then it will be down. That's it. But system will understand. Okay, debit or credit based on the posting keys. Okay, with indicator. Okay, na? Fine. Don't come to conclusion that. Okay, fine on credit to on credit. Okay, debit card. Okay, simple concept. Always credit line item will be posted with minus sign. If document is perfect, then click on save button or post button. Okay, write down. Click on save button or control S. Post. Click on save button or control S. Click on save button. Or control S to post the document.
Can we give first line item posting key as 50 and then later we can give
you can enter it. You can enter it. It's no, okay, it's not written Rajangam. Okay, you have to enter first debit to then credit. Okay, you can enter first credit to then debit, but ultimately debits to credits must be equal. That's it, Bharat. Okay, there's no rule. Okay, na? Good. Now see here. Document running number generated. Document number 7 was posted successfully. This is where you'll get message. Okay, if you want to open the latest document, the same document immediately, here you can go and open it. Okay, write down next step is how to display the latest document posted. How to display the latest document posted. How to display the latest document posted. The recent write down from menu, same transaction code. Same transaction code. Okay, same transaction code. F.02 check చేసుకో. So separate T code is there, but where you have posted from there itself, okay, you can display it. Write down from menu. From menu bar. From menu bar, document display. From menu bar, document and display. Okay, see here. See, this is menu bar, document. Then display. Correct corner of the screen. Block mark, but the convention mark. Okay, third one. So. Okay, display. See here. Clear? This is the document will be displayed like this. If you want to display any particular document, no, so you can go see from display, you can go to change mode, or change mode you can come to display mode. Okay, like this, multiple options are available. You don't worry. Okay. See here, display mode. The next, display another document. For example, this is document number 7, right? If you want to display another document, okay, whatever document you want, okay, you enter particular company code here and press enter. It will open 6. Okay, next, not required. Okay, one by one I'll show you. So let me come back to document number 7. Just now which I have posted. See here, office expenses to bank account. If you observe carefully here, each document there are 2 sections. This entire part is called header data. This is called line item data. Each document, note. Write down, note. Each document contains 2 sections. Note, each document contains 2 sections. One is document header data. Another one is document line item data. Line item details. One is header data. Another one is line item details. Header data, line item data. So here if you observe, this is called header data. Okay, example, document number, document date, posting date, company code, currency, period, reference, header text, all these things are called document header details. If you want to see here who has posted, when it was posted, all these things, right? Here you can see Mohan Bob cap symbol is there, right? Okay, click on this cap symbol. Then you will understand here what is the document type, you have used it. What is the transaction code, you have used it. You may get out, Basu, I have used FDAT02, but why it picked up FB01 and the backend program redirect to FB01. FB01 is for to financial document posting purpose, any kind of financial document. FB01, no, okay, transaction code. And next, what is the date? See here, entered on and enter time. Okay, and then what is the document date, invoice date, and what is the posting date. So here we can easily trace, okay, when you have posted the document. For example, okay, I was supposed to post one transaction on 5th March. Today I have entered document date to post date to 5th March and posted. But I can easily trace, okay, I can easily trace what is my entry date and which date we have entered it. You can easily trace it. Understand? That's not an issue at all. Example, I was supposed to post one transaction 5th March, but I forgot to post. Now I am going to post it with the same detail 5th March. But I can see and which date it was entered. And the entry date means system server automatic the system date it is. Time, date, particular user, okay, all the details will be updated. This is called document header details. Okay, what kind of details are available? Document type, document number, document date, posting date, company code, fiscal year, period, okay, reference, header text, all fields are available. This entire section is called document header data. This is called line item details. So each document contains minimum 2 line items. Debit to credit must be equal always. Okay, you can't post the document with incomplete information. Always debit to credit must be equal. These are 2 line items, right? Okay, entry point of they may ask you one question. Like this, how many maximum number of line items can be posted in a single document? Right, the next question. How many maximum number of line items can be posted in a document?
Vasant,
Tell me about
why this document doesn't ask for tax code?
tax code.
Uh,
Okay, good point. See, here none of the GL accounts are relevant to tax. Okay, here. Example, if you want to enter tax code, no, wait. First, let me make my GL account as tax relevant. Save it. Now my GL account is tax relevant. Whenever I am going to post the transaction to the GL account, I cannot post the transaction without tax code. Earlier tax code was not available. Now it is coming, right? If I forget also, it will not allow me to proceed further. Basu, the GL account is subject to tax, so compulsory tax calculate chahi. Then what is
yes. Okay.
Okay, so tax topic is going to be covered in account receivable. Okay, I will show you how to set up our tax concept procedure, how to create the tax codes and how to maintain the rates. Okay, input tax, output tax, separately. Okay, it will be covered. Okay, until then, not required. That's why I didn't make my GL accounts to tax amount. Okay, na? On a taxes, I'll have
Bro, one doubt. If I wrongly enter the text, we can editable.
Okay, wait. Okay, I'm coming. Okay. 2 minutes. Nara point. 2 minutes. Okay, here. Now you have posted document, right? You understood? Okay, how to display the latest document. Let me, okay, one by one, all points will be covered, but don't worry. Okay, here like this. Okay. First, let me complete. Still, we have few minutes, right? I'll address your question. Please wait. How many maximum number of line items can be posted in a document? Okay, answer is max 999 line items. Maximum 999. Please maintain the notes. Okay. This Excel will not be shared to you. Just for reference. Okay. For example, if I say A, it will be in the online. Okay, it will be here to you B. And okay, I don't want you to make any mistakes in the notes. That's why for reference purpose, I'm typing each and every word here. So please, okay, maintain the notes properly. Write down how many maximum number of line items, okay, can be entered in a document. Max 999 line items. So what does that mean? See here, debit to credit here, 2 line items. Like this, maximum we can enter 999, almost 1000 line items. Okay, we can enter it. 999 line items. Boss, anyone can enter manually like this? No. Then possibility is there in SAP, but manually we'll enter 3-4 line items, so max 5 line items like this. But where you are supposed to post such a maximum line items, no? Instead of posting manually, we will put all the details in one kind of Excel format, flat file format, and upload that into SAP system. Then accounting entries will be created. but no one will enter, okay, those many line items manually. It is very difficult. If I enter first line and second line, if I make any mistake, again I have to come from the beginning. I can't correct it, right? That's why nobody will enter those transactions manually, but possibility is there in SAP system. Okay, we can enter maximum triple line items. Okay, okay, you can enter many. Okay, you can enter any debits, any credits, but ultimately document amount must be equal. Documents amount must be equal to 0. Okay, good. And now,
Sir, here we can paste, sir. Here where we can paste at the maximum line items.
maximum line item is here. See here, I have at 2 line items, right? If you want to enter one more line item, example, while posting the transaction, you can enter posting key. Okay, example, see here. I'll show you one document with 3 line items. This is some expenses
Sir,
account, right?
from Excel, how can we post, sir? That one I must.
That's what I'm showing you. Please wait, see here. So I'll show you how to post 3 line item. Then the same way you can post maximum triple line items. Okay, I will see. For example, here 1400 some amount. Okay, here office expenses. Next, one more debit. Which account I want to give debit? Okay, let me select a number. Okay, example, salary account or rent account. Example, rent account. System. For example, rent account, how much? 15,000. Rent account. Rent pay. Again 40. Office expenses. See here, second line item. See, one more third line item you want, you need to enter it, but enough. 50. Bank account. See here, I don't know how much amount I enter debits. See, give star automatically. Okay, here, if I give plus, no, second line of text will take. So I don't want. Payments, example, something like that. Let's enter it. See, 31,000 automatically updated. I enter manually. So simulate it. See here, I can enter here. I have entered here 3 line items. I have entered here 3 line items. So both are same account, whatever it is. Okay, both are here, say whatever it is. Like this, you can enter multiple line items. Okay, if you want to enter one more line item. See here, how many line items I entered it? Total 5. So like this, in a document, maximum we can enter. Okay, any debits, any credits, you can enter it. Ultimately, value must be equal. Debits to credits, 0 equal over. Okay, like this, you can post maximum triple line items. Okay, but how to? Okay, nobody will post these many line items in a document. Okay, we have to upload. So there are some migration tools are there. Okay, so by using those programs, we can upload those documents. You will understand later. So we have to create one kind of formats, put all the records, okay, in one kind of Excel format, and upload into SAP system. Okay, then system can create the document with multiple line items. As and when uploading your data from non-SAP to SAP system, that time, or maybe, for example, okay, still you're using non-SAP system. Okay, for one unit, one business, okay, you're bringing the data into SAP system. So you're bringing the data from non-SAP to okay, what kind of flat file format and uploading the data into SAP system. So that time accounting entries will be created like this with multiple line items. Okay, but nobody will manually okay can post those many line items in a document. Clear? Clear, right? So how to post multiple line items in a document? Okay, observe. Next, can't you hear me? Someone has posted can't. Okay, Yamuna. Rudresh, Reddy Prasad. You can hear me or not?
We are able to hear
Yes,
you.
sir.
Vasant.
Okay, go ahead. See here. Now you understood how to display latest document. How many items can we post also you understood. Okay, next step. Okay, pass. Okay, I understood how to open the latest document immediately whatever I have posted from the same place. Okay, I agree with you. But I want to see the place where I can see all my documents, whatever I have posted so far. This is only one document. I want to see list of documents, whatever I have posted so far, right? Okay, so please write down. Next step. Display FI documents. This is a single place. Whatever accounting document is generated from FI to FI or CO to FI or MM to FI or SG to FI. Wherever accounting document generated, the document can be displayed in this place. This is a single place to display FI documents. Write down. Display FI documents. Transaction code FB03. FB03. Okay, here I want you to observe the logic. After posting the transactions, you can see all those documents. If you want to post the document, you have to go to this section. After posting the transaction, you have to go to this section. See now, see FB01 for creation, 2 for change, 3 for display, 4 for display changes. So this is the sequence. Observe here. 1 for creation, 2 for change, 3 for display, 4 for display changes. Whatever changes if you made, okay, then the changes can be displayed here. Like this, not only here, going forward, okay, vendor master record creation, customer master record creation, same. 1 for creation, 2 for changes, 3 for display, 4 for display changes. Like this, it will be designed. You can easily understand it. And now, what do you want? You want to display a document or you want to change it? If you want to change, you can go to change mode. Otherwise, go to display mode. Okay, here it's display. You no need to write down how to display. You can easily display it. If you know the exact document, specify here. What is the company code? FD01. Fiscal year. If you don't specify the fiscal year, same document might have been posted in 2021 also. So then it will be duplicate. So then you can specify exactly the document which you are looking for. 20 or 21 or 22 or continue. Then exactly the document number what you are looking for, it will be displayed it. I don't want to see this. I want to see one, whatever document you want, you can specify it. No. I want to see list of all the documents. Okay, then go to the list, document list. See here, you can specify your company code. You can specify from number to number, or randomly also you can specify your documents you want, particular documents randomly also, or range also, exclude range, exclude. Okay, otherwise, okay, if you don't want to specify the range, then you want to see all, then you can specify particular year. Then what will happen? All the documents will be displayed here. No, I don't want to see all the documents. I want to see only GL documents. Then specify your GL documents. Boss, if you specify GL documents, okay, you have 2021, all documents will come. I don't want all, only particular period. Then you can specify from date to date. Okay, in that case, only March month transactions okay, display out. Yeah, just okay, filter, additional filter. If you don't specify this kind of filter, system may take time to respond and display the values. You can execute it. Okay, execute it. Like this document should be displayed. Okay, for example, in our company code, I have posted only general ledger document. That's why it's showing. Let me show you the effective reporting existing company code. Okay, here I have posted different type of transactions. See here. If I don't specify any transaction, any filter here, example, if I don't specify any filter, okay, in this company code and execute it. See what it says, doesn't specify at least any other criteria. It's okay, no problem. Execute it. See, there are 158 documents are there. Okay, here 158 documents are. Here I have posted general ledger documents, so reverse documents, so vendor invoices, customer invoices, customer vendor payments, so all documents are posted here. Okay, boss, I don't want to see all. I want to see only general ledger document. Then execute it. Only 74 documents, only general ledgers. See, December dates, okay, January dates, February dates, all are available. I don't want to see all. I want to see only March month transactions. Filter. Then system will give you only March month transactions. Only these are the 2 documents I have posted in March. Like this, you can give filter and get your details. Okay, na? And next thing is here. This is the way we can see all kind of financial documents. Okay, whatever it accounting document generated, this is a single place we can see documents. And next, own documents. What does that mean? So like me, there are few more users are there in this okay organization. Okay, so example Rami, okay, Manasa, okay, and Rudresh, and okay, Rakshit, like this, multiple users posted multiple documents. I want to display only my documents. They're all working for this company, and we have posted a lot of documents, general ledger documents. Okay, if you don't specify anything, and then all people's documents will be displayed. If you select this checkbox and execute it, only the document posted by me will be displayed. Okay, I can see here username also. I'll show you this how to do this. Okay, you can do. In case this filter is not sufficient, here dynamic selection is there. Still, dynamic selections. అంటే particular date, particular T code, okay, particular user, okay, those options also you can select here. Accordingly, we can bring that field here and specify. For example, Rakshit documents I want, and execute it. Then what will happen? Whatever document posted by this user will be displayed. It. If I don't specify, all will be displayed. It. Filter, additional selection criteria here. Or particular T code basis. Okay, particular period basis, particular date basis. Okay, particular document, okay, different. Okay, in case this selection is not sufficient. Okay, good. If you don't want, you can close this. Good. Like this, we can get this document list here. Okay, execute it. Okay, in case if you want to see here layout, okay, there are multiple options are available. Change layout to save layout, select layout to save layout. Example, if you want any fields here, or if you don't want to see any fields here, you can go to the change mode. Okay, you can bring here. For example, you want to additionally add here posting period also here. Example, so there are hidden fields, so there are displayed fields. For example, take this posting period. Anything you can bring it here. Right? Okay, you can bring it here. Okay, or if you want to bring it down. Okay, or ekdam, okay, top, or ekdam, okay, allow down, or one by one step up, or one step down. You can move the options also. If everything is fine, press enter. Now I can see additionally period also. Earlier period was not available. If I go back now and exit again, the period option is not there. I want to save it. In that case, again go to change layout and bring it here. But wherever you want, you can keep it. Press enter. Now it is displayed. I want to save it. Save this layout with your name. Any name you can enter it. Save it. Now save. Whenever I go back, come next time, it will be displayed. Or if you want to see the data with another layout, go to this layout, select layout. There are multiple layouts are there. So you can get this layout. Or if you want to set any layout as default, settings, manage, whatever layout you want as default, you can specify. Always it will be displayed. Save it. Go back. Whenever I come next time, no, whatever documents whatever layout I have set, accordingly it will be displayed. It. All these points are available here. Okay, change layout to save layout to all these points. Okay, And one more point. Okay, come to your question. Okay, Parthiran, see here. If you double click on this, document will be open like this. Now it is in display mode. If you want to make any changes, click on this change button, or else you can directly go to FB02 also. Okay, once document was posted now, in the header data, you can change only reference field and header text field. Only these two things. For example, I forgot to enter bill number. I can enter it. Like example, I forgot to enter header text. I can enter it. Or here what it is asking was line item details. Okay, text I forgot to enter. Is it possible to change it? Yes. See, line item also we can change the text. See, after posting the transaction. Okay, like this. Bank account. See, these fields can be changed. Once a document was posted in SAP system, okay, these are the fields we can modify it. One is text field, the assignment field, value date field. In the line item, in the header data, header text field, reference field. Okay, na? You can save it. After that, we can go and see who has made the changes, what was the change, okay, what is the change and what was the old value, all these things. Clear now?
Vasu,
One second. We are a Parthiran. Now your doubt was addressed, right? Okay, good. Okay, I'll show you later. In our running book also it is there. Okay, how to display the document, how to make change layout, changes in the layout, how to save it, how to select the layout, how to set default layout, okay, and how to change the document, okay, how to trace the changes made in the document, who has made the changes, what is the old value, okay, what was the old value, what is the new value, okay, time or date, everything we can see it. Now tell me, Manasa.
like in which case we use the FB01 T code. So,
Okay, good point. Okay, good point. See, to post financial documents, SAP has designed separate T codes. Example, to post financial document, okay, GL document, F-02, you can go. SAP has designed separate T code. If you want to post vendor invoice, separate T code was designed. Same look. If you want to post customer invoice, F-22 is designed. If you want to post asset document, separate T code is there.
-9.
Okay, like this. Okay, is there. But to post all these documents in single place, no. Okay, instead of going to all these transactions, if I go to see here, if you observe carefully, each and every documents, okay, if you observe document type of posting keys are coming by default. Observe. F-22. See here, DR011. For 2 minutes, guys, please wait. And next F-43. See, vendor invoice KR31. And next F-02. See, SA and this one. Okay, separate T codes are designed and suggested to use these transactions. Boss, I don't want to use it. Okay, then go to FB01. In this transaction, you have to enter manually. Okay, if you are going to post general ledger document, enter SA. If you are going to post customer invoice, enter KR. If you are going to post customer doc, okay, DDR. So if you are going to post customer vendor invoice, KR. If you are going to post a document, AA. Like this, manually you have to enter and enter posting keys. Okay, however you enter F-02. Okay, backend system is calling. Okay, the program, the T code. FB01 F-02 ద్వారా వచ్చిన బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ FB01 అంటే ఫైనాన్షియల్ డాక్యుమెంట్ పోస్టింగ్ కి టీ కోడ్ FB01. ఓకే, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇట్ ఈస్, బట్ అల్టిమేట్లీ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ టీ కోడ్స్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ షో యూ F-02 కదా, అన్ని దిస్ ఇస్ ద ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోడ్ ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్. దీన్ని కాల్ చేసినప్పుడు దేనికి వెళ్ళమని చెప్తామని చూడు. అంటే బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ టీ కోడ్ F-02 ఇచ్చిన బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ ఇదే వస్తుంది, FB01. అంటే టీ కోడ్ ద్వారా ఒక యు హావ్ సెట్ డిఫాల్ట్ డాక్యుమెంట్ టైప్ అండ్ డిఫాల్ట్ పోస్టింగ్ కి. దట్స్ ఇట్. అదే ఈవెన్ F-43 ఆల్సో చూసుకో. అంతా ఒకటే బ్యాక్ అంతా ఇది ఒక సపరేట్ మాస్క్ అనమాట. బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ దీన్నే కాల్ చేసి అంటే ఫినాన్షియల్ డాక్యుమెంట్ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ అప్డేట్ అయ్యే ప్లేస్.
So instead of using F-02, so can I use FB01 directly?
Okay, now I am going to post on general ledger document FB01. F-02 లో ఒక అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఉంది, మీకు డాక్యుమెంట్ టైపు పోస్టింగ్ కి డిఫాల్ట్ వస్తుంది, అంతే తేడా, ఏం లేదు. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు పోస్ట్ FB01. ఓకే, వన్ డాక్యుమెంట్ సీ హియర్. ఇక్కడ మాన్యువల్ గా ఐ హావ్ టు ఎంటర్ ఇట్. చూడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్, మాన్యువల్లీ ఐ హావ్ టు ఎంటర్. చూడు పోస్టింగ్ కి నేను ఎంటర్ చేస్తున్నాను, బై డిఫాల్ట్ గా సజెస్ట్ చేయలేదు. చూడు see here how I am posting document by using FB01. అల్టిమేట్ గా బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ FB01 అంటే ఏం లేదు. FB02 రీడైరెక్ట్ అయ్యేది కూడా FB01. ఓకే, చూడు డిఫైన్ ఎనీ డిఫరెన్స్, సేవ్. F-02 F-40 ఎందుకంటే to specify default document types and default posting key purpose. Otherwise, directly you can go and use any kind of financial document, entire GL document, vendor invoice, customer invoice, asset documents. You no need to go to respective transactions. FB01 లోనే మొత్తం పోస్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ ఎవరంటే రియల్ గా డాక్యుమెంట్ టైప్స్ ఏమి ఎంటర్ చేయాలి, ఓకే పోస్టింగ్ కీస్ ఏమి ఎంటర్ చేయాలి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు కాబట్టి దట్స్ వై SAP హియర్ సజెస్టింగ్ us to use respective T codes. But back end program is FB01 T code programming. Okay guys, fine. Now you understood how to post the documents, all these things, right? And one point is ledger. If you want to get lost, okay, if you want to see the ledger balances, right, whatever transaction you have posted, you can go to FB03, sorry, FS10 like this. So what is the GL account number? 200,601 is my account to company code, fiscal year, and executed. Tomorrow I will explain it. Here I can see period wise, but debit means what? Debits means ledger means what? Ledger balance means what? Debits to credits to balance to accumulated balance. If I double click on it, you can see list of transactions whatever I have posted so far. Okay, na? So tomorrow I will show you all these things for a few minutes. Then we'll go to next topic, park documents on Monday. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we have a hands-on session. Okay, so please get ready, okay, with SAP access and attend. Otherwise, no use of attending the class tomorrow. Okay, thank you all. Don't miss the class. I told everyone to clear the dues, so please clear it and share me the screenshot without fail. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye, Manasa.